Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay children, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Yes children, previous class what you learned? Addition you learned. What is that? Addition means what? Adding numbers and adding things. Yes, adding animals or adding human beings, anything. Groups of adding you learned. Yes, now today topic is subtraction. What is that? Subtraction. Chapter number 5, subtraction. Do you know children, already you learned additions, how to estimate the two numbers. Yes, today we will learn subtraction, estimate the difference between two numbers. Okay children, see, just you say this, let us answer these two, revise is the concept. Of rounding off. Nearest tens. Okay, see here children, 87. 87 nearest tens. Which number will come? Tell me. Already I told you. 87 after 88, 89, 90. 90 is the nearest. Yes, see, 87, 88, 89, 90. Here 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. Yes, see here 83, 87 is here. Yes, in this nearest tens which number will come? This one, because only 1, 2 numbers after 90 will come. That's why. Understood? 90 is the nearest tens. Understood children? Next, you only say. Next, 56. 56 nearest tens. Which number will come? Tell me. See, nearest tens. 56 after 57, 58, 59, 60. As 60 is the nearest tens. Next, 43. 43 nearest tens. 40. Because 43 back, 42, 41, 40 will come. Yes, 40. D1, 78. 78 nearest tens, which number will come? 78 after 79, 80. 80 is the nearest tens. Yes children, Understood what I am saying? Nearest tens, you know na already. How to do? Now, 93. 93 nearest tens, 90. Yes, you know. See, because 5 is more than 3. Yes, that's why 90 is the nearest tens. Understood, children? Next, 76. 77. 77 nearest. Tell me, 77 nearest. 80. 77 after 78, 79, 80. Yes, nearest tens. Copy in the classwork, ma. This is recall, ma. Write in the classwork. Write proper writing. Let us answer this to revise the concept of rounding up to the nearest tens. Understood, children? See, children, remembering and understanding. Estimation is finding a number that is close enough to the right answer. Rounding of numbers can be used to estimate the difference between 2-digit numbers and between 3-digit numbers. See, let us understand this through examples. As see, for example, 1. See, estimate the difference. See, what is that? 69 minus 15. First of all, what you have to do? You should estimate these numbers as rounding off. You know na? Already we did in the addition sum as rounding off. Rounding of 69 to the nearest tens gives 69 nearest tens gives 70. As now, and next which number? 15. As rounding off 15 to the nearest tens. See, gives which number will come? 15. You can write 10 otherwise 20. Understood, children? Because 5 is equal. Both sides are 5 are equal. Here what happened? 9 is greater than 5. Yes. Here 5 is equal to 5. That's why 20, otherwise 10 you can write. Now, so the required difference is 70 minus 20. 70 minus 20 means what? 70 minus 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2. Take out 7 fingers. And 2 minus, remaining how many? 5. That 5 you should write. What is that? 50 is the remaining amount. Understood, children? 15. See, rounding off 69. Rounding up 69 to the nearest tens gives 70. Has 9 greater than 5? Yes. Rounding up 15 to the nearest tens gives 20. As 5 equal to 5. So the required difference is 70 minus 20 is equal to 50. Copy in the classwork, ma. Write in the classwork. One more sum I will give you, okay? Should copy in the classwork. One more example I will explain you. Example, children. Estimate the difference see 96 minus 44. Okay, what you have to do? Again you should estimate means what? Rounding off. Rounding of 96 to the nearest tens gives, see, 96 nearest tens. What is that? 100 as 6 greater than 5 as next rounding of 44 to the nearest tens gives, see, 44 nearest tens, 40 as 4 less than 5. Understood? So, the required difference is 100 minus, see, 100, this 100 minus 40. 100 minus 40. What you have to do? 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0, in the 0 4 will go? No, you should take borrow. 10, 10 minus 4, how much? 6. Here 0, 60. What is that answer? 60 is the answer. Understood, children? What we have to do? We should find nearest tens. After that, we should do the minus in that numbers. Understood? See, rounding off 96 to the nearest tens gives 100. Has 6 greater than 5. As rounding off 44 to the nearest tens gives 40. Has 4 less than 5. So, the required difference 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. Copy in the classwork, ma. I think you people are understanding because already we did in the addition, estimate the sums as same like that only, but you should minus the number. Understood, children? You should write nearest tens. After that, you should minus that numbers. Children, everyone open your workbook. See chapter number 5, subtraction. Open my everyone workbook. Rounding of 42 to the nearest tens we get. 42 nearest, what we will get, ma? 42 nearest. 40, S, B. B is the answer. See, 42 nearest means what? 41, 40. S, 40 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. Second one. Rounding of 91 to the nearest tens. 91 nearest tens, what will get? 100, 90, 95, 99. Which number will get? 90. B. Third one. Rounding of 60 to the nearest tens. Will get 60. 60 means 60 only, na? C. Next. Fourth one. The difference between 77 and 23. See, 77 nearest tens. What is that? 77 nearest tens? 80. 23 nearest tens? 20. What you have to do? 80 minus 20. What is that answer will come? 60. B. Understood, children? What we did? We did nearest tens. Again, after that we did minus. 80 minus 20, 60. Understood? Next. The estimate difference between 69 and 24. 69. 69 nearest, what is that? 70. 24 nearest? 24 nearest, 20. Yes, minus 50 is the answer. A is the answer. Understood? Nearest you should find. Understood, children? 69 nearest means what? 70. Again, what is that number? 24 nearest means what? 20. 70 minus 20 if you did means you will get answer. Understood? See next. Sixth one. Estimate the difference between 21 and 11. See 21. 21 nearest 20. 11 nearest 10. What is that answer? 20 minus 10. 10 is the answer. S, C. Sixth one, C. Understood, children, what I am saying? Now, next. Seventh one. Estimated difference between 75 and 45. See? 75. Estimate sum. 75 means what? 70 or 80. Okay. 45. Estimate 50. S. 80 minus 50. What is that answer? 30 is the answer. S. What we did? 75 nearest tens 80. 45 nearest tens 50. What we did? We minus 80 minus 50. We got answer 30. Understood, children? Next. Eighth one. Eighth one. See. The estimated difference between 65 and 45. 65. 65 estimate means what? 70. 45 estimate means 50. As 70 minus 50. What will get? 20. 70 minus 50. As 0 minus 0, 0. In the 7, you should minus 5. S, what is that? 2. 20 is the answer. Understood, children, what I am saying? You should estimate first numbers. After that, see, 65 nearest, then 70. 45 nearest, 50. You should minus these two numbers. 70 minus 50. Understood? We will get answer 20. That answer you should write in the blank. Next, 9th one. Estimate the difference between 92 and 43. 92 nearest tens. What is that? 90. 43 nearest 40. 90 minus 40. 0 minus 0. 0. 9 minus 4. 9 fingers open, 4 cut. How many total? Remaining 5. That 5 you should write. Understood? What is that answer? 50 is the answer. Understood, children, what I am saying? Now, next, 10th one. Estimate the difference between 64 and 37. 64 and 37 they given. Yes, estimate 64 nearest. 60 minus 37 nearest 40. What is that answer? 60 minus 40. 0, 6 minus 4, 2. 20 is the answer. Understood, children? Now, 11th one. Estimate the difference between 30. You should do. 11th one and 12th one you should do. Okay? Tomorrow I'll check. 11th one and 11th and 12th you should do, ma. Do. Copy in the workbook. 11th and 12th you do. I will tell you tomorrow how that is correct or wrong.